Is your PC slow, laggy, or just not performing like it should? Most people overlook a simple setting that can make a huge difference. Today, I'll show you exactly how to fix it. Clean, clear, and step-by-step for Windows 10 and 11, and stay up for the bonus in the end. First, open the Control Panel. You can do this by pressing Windows plus S, typing Control Panel, and pressing Enter. Next, select System and Security, then Power Options. This is where Windows controls how your PC uses energy and ultimately how fast it runs. Here, select the Balanced Recommended Power Plan. This is the plan most PCs use by default, but sometimes it doesn't use your CPU efficiently. We'll optimize it next. Click Change Plan Settings, then Change Advanced Power Settings. Expand Processor Power Management. Make sure both minimum processor state and maximum processor state are set to 100%. This ensures your CPU is always running at full speed. Click Apply and OK to save your changes. Then restart your PC. After the restart, you'll notice faster load times, smoother performance, and programs opening almost instantly. For an extra boost, close unnecessary background apps. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape and turn off apps you don't need running in the background. This frees memory and CPU power for what really matters, and that's it. In just a few clicks, your PC is now faster, smoother, and more responsive. If you want more simple tricks to speed up Windows, hit subscribe and the notification bell. Your PC will thank you.